How to fix Messenger page is not available right now. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that problem. First thing first, if you are being shown that error, make sure your application Messenger is updated. Head over to your Play Store, then here search for Messenger. If you see update instead of open, tap on update and update your app. Now once you have updated your app, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, then tap on Apps. You will see all the applications here. Search for Messenger. Tap on Messenger. Tap Storage. Clear Cache. If you remember your credential like your Facebook password, you can also go ahead and tap on Clear Data and delete the data. Once you do so, come back onto App Info page. Tap on Force Stop, then OK. Tap on Set as Default and toggle this button. Once done, restart your device, get logged into your Messenger, and this shall work. That is all for today, guys, and thank you all for watching.